Online class for kids. Hello there. Welcome to another exciting episode here at Online Class for Kids. We know that running and doing physical activities require muscle activity. But did you know that even doing nothing, or even while resting and sleeping, our muscles are still constantly being used? Let's discuss more about one of the important systems of the body, the muscular system. The muscular system has four main functions. One is to maintain posture. The muscular system works alongside the skeletal system to make sure the body can maintain posture. It also serves to protect the internal organs. Two is to provide mobility. To be able to move, run, and do physical activities in general, we need to use muscles. Third is heat production. The body cells can only thrive under certain temperatures, so the muscular system helps with controlling the body temperature. Fourth is blood circulation. The heart is made up of a type of muscles. These muscles are involuntary muscles that are constantly active to keep us alive. To achieve these, the muscles are divided into three types. One is the skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscles are the only voluntary muscles we can control. These muscles are connected to the skeletal system. They are responsible for making us move. Another is the smooth muscle. The smooth muscles line the insides of the blood vessels and organs. They play the role of moving food along the digestive tract. They are involuntary muscles. Lastly, there is the cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle controls the heart's pumping. They are also involuntary muscles. Let's review what we just learned. Can you tell me the answer to the following questions? Great! Let's start. This system is responsible for the movement of the body. Muscular system. Good job! This type of muscle is responsible for heart pumping. Cardiac muscle. Good job! This type of muscle is the only voluntary muscle. It is connected to skeletal system. Skeletal muscle. Good job! This type of muscle lines the blood vessels and organs. It is responsible for moving food along the digestive tract. Smooth muscle. Good job! hope you enjoyed learning about the muscular system. See you next time for another fun-filled learning only here at Online Class for Kids. Visit onlineclassforkids.com for more fun learning videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.